There's another thing that the body produces, which is very linked to urine and is highly health promoting, and it's stem cells. There are stem cells that are produced in the kidneys. They're called human urine derived stem cells, and they are produced in the kidney and come out in your urine. They're not in the blood and being filtered by the kidneys and then coming out through the urine. They're produced in the kidney. That means there's no other part of the body that gets access to these except for the urine. So part of my question is this. The stem cells in urine are really easy to collect, painless to collect, free to collect in that sense. There's really no charge in order you can collect them yourself and hand them to a doctor or a research institution. And these stem cells, they've shown, there's lots of studies, particularly from 2019 onward, coming out of Wake Forest University. You can look for them yourself. They're online. They're free to download. They're very highly specific. If you're not trained in those areas, you might not get a whole lot out of reading them, but there's a lot. All I'm saying is there's a lot of research. And these stem cells are willing to become other kinds of cells. Some stem cells really want to do what they were meant to do. I'm going to give an example that this may or may not be a good example, but let's say a stem cell related to the heart wants to become a heart cell. It doesn't want to become bone. I'm making this up. But urine-derived stem cells are happy to be differentiated into different things. They're happy to do different kinds of jobs. And so here is a very easy to harvest, easy to use, easily to differentiate, easy to tell it to do something else stem cell that the body's producing every single day, and the body's putting it into the urine. So if the body's doing that, what does that say about what the body thinks about these stem cells? The body doesn't seem to think that urine is a waste product, because it's putting one of the easiest to access, most potent, easiest to use in human health stem cells into urine. Why would urine be thought of as a waste product by the body? Food for thought.